Hi, my name is Sonam and today I am going to show you how to solve the quadratic equation of the type ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Those who haven't checked my previous video, you can check the link in the description below. So we already solved the examples of this kind, but today we'll derive a formula saying x equal to minus b plus minus under square b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We're gonna find this in just few steps. So let's begin with the quadratic equation. So assume we have the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what we did in the previous video, we tried to find the value of x. So we need to remove the extra term, that is a. What we'll do is, let's divide the whole term with a. So what will happen is x square plus a plus bx upon a plus c upon a equal to 0, which means x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equal to 0. So when we get the coefficient of x as 1, now we can solve the quadratic equations. What we did when we had the coefficient as 1, we tried to find the factors, which is our step number 2. Find the factors whose multiplication should be equal to c upon a and addition should be equal to b upon a. So how to do that, because everything is unknown? What we'll do in this case is, we will compare this with the formula x plus y bracket square. X plus y bracket square gives x square plus 2xy plus y square. Why are we going to do this? Just to find a term which we can add or subtract from both the sides. So if I look, x square is same, 2xy and b upon a. So when we compare 2xy with b upon ax, we can see like this x gets cancelled and y becomes b upon 2a. And what the formula says is last term should be y square. So what we'll do is, we will add and subtract b upon 2a, so the value of equation doesn't change. Once we get this equation, we know, right, this is x plus y bracket square. So first term plus b upon 2a bracket square minus, what is the value of this? B square upon 4a square plus c upon a equal to 0. So we need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we need to keep x alone, which will be equal to b square upon 4a square minus c upon a. So what we'll do is, we'll make the denominator same. So it will become x plus b upon 2a bracket square equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now let's find the square root. Square and square root will get cancelled, and here it will become under square b square minus 4ac upon square root of 4a square. So it becomes x plus b upon 2a equal to b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. Therefore, we get the value of x equal to minus b upon 2a. So when we find the square root, it could be positive as well as negative. For an example, square root of 4 can be plus or minus 2. B square minus, so we write plus or minus underscore b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus minus ac upon 2a. Therefore, what is the value of x over here is? First, consider the positive part, considering this factor as positive, or considering this as negative.